Hey folks, how's it going? It's Mr. Murray coming to you with a little do now for Course 1 Honors for Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. And this is going to be our first official probability do now. So Mr. Murray has a bag of marbles. The bag contains 3 red marbles, 2 blue marbles, 4 yellow marbles, and 5 orange marbles. You select a marble randomly from the bag. Find the probability that you select a yellow marble. Find the probability that you select a yellow marble, the probability that you select either a yellow or an orange marble, the probability that you don't select a blue marble, and the probability that you select a marble that has a prime quantity, meaning the number of them in the bag currently is a prime number. Okay, so keep in mind that after each time you select the marble, you're starting over. So after you select the yellow marble, for the next probability, you're assuming you're starting all over with 3, 2, 4, and 5. Okay? So please pause the video, try to find these probabilities, and then when you're ready, unpause, and you can see what I got. So basically, whenever we're doing probability, what it comes down to is we need to find the ratio of what we want to what we have. The bag currently contains 3, 5, 10, 14 marbles. Okay, for the purposes of this problem, we're going to assume that we have an equal probability of choosing any marble. So we're no more likely to choose a red marble than to choose a blue marble, a yellow marble, or an orange. And for that matter, we can't distinguish between the 3 red marbles, right? We have an equal shot at picking the first as we do the second or the third. So of the 14 marbles that we could choose from, 4 of them are yellow, and then we do need to make sure that we simplify this to 2/7. All right, folks, so now I've jumped to my calculator, and I'm going to actually make sure that I type in 2 divided by 7, and that gives me about 28.6%. So I've got a approximately 28.6% chance of selecting a yellow marble. And so with it presented like this, we could ask ourselves, well, is it likely? Yeah, it's fairly likely. We have about 3 in 10 chance, between a 1 in 4 and a 3 in 10 chance. Okay, what about selecting a yellow or an orange marble? So we're back to 14 marbles in the bag. Of them, 9, 5, and 4 are either yellow or orange. And now I've got 9 out of 14. So I'll go ahead and type that into my calculator. So let's bring this back up. 9 out of 14. And that gets me 64.3%. So it's approximately 64.3%. So a very good chance, almost a 2 in 3 chance of it happening. Okay, what about the probability I do not select a blue marble? So there's 14 marbles in the bag. If 2 of them are blue, then 12 of them are not blue. So we want this, which is 6 out of 7, or in other words, 1 minus 1 out of 7. The current, right? So you have a 1 in 7 chance of getting a blue marble. So you have a 1 minus that chance, or an 85% chance. And then you could see also if we did 6 out of 7, right, we'd get the same thing. So you'd have about an 85.7% chance of not getting a blue marble. But what about one without a prime quantity? That would be this one, or this one. So that would be 10 out of 14, which is 5/7. And 5/7, I'll just do this one real quick, will be 71.4%. All right, so hopefully you're able to get these right. If so, congratulations. Please make sure you're continuing to work away on the probability content. We'll be covering theoretical probability and having that wrap up today. And then we'll be continuing our investigation of probability tomorrow with a little bit of conditional probability. So folks, keep it up. Best of luck. And remember that you can do it. All right, thanks for watching, and you have a wonderful day.